Hello students, today we will learn equation of continuity which is based on law of conservation of charge. Let us consider a closed surface S inside which there is a conducting region of bounded volume V. Let a charge Q leaks out of the conducting region through the closed surface S in the form of current. Hence, the volume charge density in the conducting region is a function of time and is represented as ρt. Let ds is the elementary area on closed surface S and J is the current density, which is current per unit area. Then the current flowing out of the elementary area ds is given by J dot ds. Hence, the total current flowing out of the closed surface S is given by closed integral J dot ds. Let dV is the elementary volume. Hence, the charge present in the elementary volume dV is rho dV. According to the law of conservation of charge, the total current flowing out of the closed surface S is equal to the negative time rate of decrease of charge in the bounded volume enclosed by that surface. Therefore, we can write total current I is equal to minus dq upon dt. Or in integral form, it can be represented as closed integral J dot ds is equal to minus d by dt integral rho t dv. From Gauss divergence theorem, it can be written as integral divergence J dv equal to minus d by dt integral rho dv. Comparing both sides of the equation, we get divergence J equal to minus d rho by dt, which represents equation of continuity in conducting medium. Now, if electric field is static, it means volume charge density is constant and is independent of time, then d rho by dt equal to 0. Therefore, equation of continuity for a static electric field becomes divergence J equal to 0. From this equation, we conclude that no current is flowing out of the closed surface S if electric field is constant, which is in agreement with Gauss law. For a dielectric region in bounded volume V, as the charge leak out of the closed surface S, the volume charge density is a function of time, hence the electric field is a function of time. As we know, a time varying electric field is a source of displacement current. Or we can say a time varying electric field is equivalent to a displacement current. Therefore, the equation takes the following form for a dielectric region. Divergence Jc plus Jd equal to minus d rho by dt, where Jc is the conduction current density and Jd is the displacement current density. This is in agreement with modified Ampere circuital law.